హలో గాయ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ సునీ వరల్డ్. ఇవాళ మేము చేస్తున్నది కొంచెం స్పెషల్ వీడియో మాకైతే, బికాస్ ఇట్స్ అన్ 100th వీడియో. సో ఒక స్మాల్ సెలబ్రేషన్ చేస్తున్నాము ఇంట్లో. జస్ట్ నేను ఒక యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ కేక్ మేక్ చేశాను సింపుల్గా అండ్ ఈజీగా, క్విక్గా. అండ్ కెనోపీ డెకరేషన్ చేశాను. సో ఈ కెనోపీ డెకరేషన్ అనేది వితిన్ 30 minutesలో మనం చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ నేను ఫ్యూచర్ వీడియోస్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను కూడా ఎలా చేయాలి అని. సో ఇలా సింపుల్ డెకరేషన్ అండ్ సింపుల్ కేక్తో మా సెలబ్రేషన్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ట్రెండ్లో ఈ లాక్డౌన్ టైం నుంచి సో ఈ కెనోపీ డెకరేషన్ అనేది చాలా ట్రెండీలో ఉందన్నమాట. సో ఇదైతే మనం చాలా ఈజీగా చేసేసుకోవచ్చు, చాలా తక్కువ టైంలోనే. అండ్ మన దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి స్టఫ్తోనే చేసుకోవచ్చు, బయట నుంచి ఇది కొనాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నేనైతే జస్ట్ నా శారీ అండ్ చున్నీస్ చూస్ చేసేసాను అండ్ ఉన్నటువంటి లైట్స్ లీవ్స్తోనే డెకరేట్ చేసేసుకున్నాను సింపుల్గా. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను, సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో నుంచి ఛానల్ నేమ్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో 100th వీడియోకి లాస్ట్ అనమాట నా సునీ వరల్డ్ అనే నేమ్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఎప్పటి నుంచో ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాను అనమాట. సో కొంచెం ఛానల్ నేమ్ అనేది క్యాచీగా ఉండాలి అని. సో ఎనీహౌ అప్ టు 100th వీడియోలో రివీల్ చేద్దాము, అంతవరకు ఈ నేమ్తోనే కంటిన్యూ అవుదాము అనుకున్నాను. సో ఇవాళ 100th వీడియో వచ్చింది అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో సో చింటూ మీకు రివీల్ చేస్తాడు ఛానల్ నేమే అని. సో మీ యొక్క సపోర్ట్ ఇన్ని డేస్ ఎలా ఉన్నిందో ఇంక నుంచి కూడా అలానే ఉండాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను. And I want to say a very big thanks to all the guys who subscribe to my channel and me support by likes and giving comments తో subscribing తో ఉండాలని విష్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక మీరు చూడొచ్చు చింటూ అండ్ ట్వింకిల్ ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేశారు అని 100th వీడియో సెలబ్రేషన్. సో యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్.
Hello guys, welcome to Sunny Wharf. So today is a very special day. It's our 100th video. So we're going to be saying bye to Sunny Wharf and we're going to be changing it to a different name. I'll say everything in a few seconds. So today is a very special day. So today is our 100th video. We made a cake and this is a decoration we made. So we are changing our name to a different name. It's gonna be in our cakes. We're gonna take it out and see the name what it is. So here's the decoration we did, and this is the cake, and this is where then we're gonna pull out, and that's where the names. So when we pull this out, the name will come out, and so that's the name we're gonna put for our channel.
I'm ready to put. Shall I put?
Subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video for your support, and please subscribe because it means a lot to us. And so my sister wants to say something to you all guys. So now say it, Twinkle.
Welcome to Sunny World. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please like all my videos. Thanks for your support. If you like the video, share it to your friends. Now we are cutting the cake.
Before we cut the cake, we're gonna take this one out, and that's gonna be our YouTube name. So now I'm gonna take it out.
Uh-oh. Yummy.
Wait. So this is gonna be our name. So our channel name is Capetown Lo Chitturamai. So this is our channel name. So how bright this candle is, that's how bright our channel is gonna be. So we are expecting high levels, and we're gonna be in a good position from this. Happy 100 video! Happy YouTube 100 video! Let's count to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And one for luck.
One for luck?
And now I'm going to put the sparkler. Okay, now let me just get. Now I'm going to put the sparkler on. Wait for it. Wait, it's burning. This is sparkler. Happy 100 video.
Wow.
Wow.
Can I blow some? Can I hold it now? Happy 100 video. Yeah. 100.
So this is our 100 video. Now we're going to put
100
another
video.
sparkler. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait. Happy 100 video!
Happy 100 video.
Hooray!
Hooray.
Let's go.
Don't hold it.
Let's
Happy
go,
100 video.
Now we're gonna cut the cake. Let's go. Should I cut the cake?
No.
Okay, let's cut. Let me take that out. Okay. Come and see the inside of the cake.
Isn't it fun?
Okay, let me open it. Now look. A YouTube play button cake. Let me just put it on.
That's mine, silly.
We're gonna put it all on the cake. Our 100 video. Wait, what?
Setting that cake fast.
Have a bite, Twinkle.
How about Anna?
Okay, let me put for you. Moving everything. Wait, give me that play button. I'm trying to take it. It is coming. Please come, please come. Please, just come. I got a little bit of the play button. This is the play button. So this is our YouTube play button cake. We covered it all up with icing. So this is how it looks like from the inside. And this is the one where we put our name. And it's very delicious. So now my sister's gonna sing a song. Okay, sing Sing the song.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it.
So this is our decoration we made. So we made these from my mom's 2 sarees. So this is something, and we made this canopy out of some leaves, some lights, and it's a very comfy bed under here, and a cloth, and this is the background, and we put a table, a study table, and we put another cloth, and we made a YouTube play button cake, and put some plants just to make it a bit better, and some candles, what they already were done with, and this horse because it's nice, and this is our 100th video celebration, and this thing is called canopy. You can see that if you type it in canopy in YouTube, you can see lots of things, and you can make it in your house as well. This is our decoration.
Canopy.
What is canopy?
This one. What are they doing?
They're dancing.
Why are they dancing like that? So hardly.
This is the perfect playing tent ever. You should try this too, and this is for kids. Please make it, and you can do it for any decoration, and it's very nice. Even adults can use this. It's very beautiful, and you can use this from any cloth like this. We use the saree and lights and this. It's very simple, and you just need a mattress, and it's easy. It's so simple. So you try this at home, and you like it. So you can make this in half an hour if you're quicker. You can make it in 10 minutes, and it's very beautiful, and it's very nice for any occasion. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Tell me in the comment section if it's nice or not nice. Let's see. And now you can have a look at the celebration photos. Mr. Teddy and 2 other gods, and they're going to come and present you the grand finale and a baby bear to protect everything. And now I'm going to call Twinkle to throw everything in the air for the grand finale. Ready, steady, go! Hooray! Happy 100 video! Please subscribe. Bye. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and comment. And please subscribe if you haven't. It really supports us. Thanks for watching. Bye. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Please like our video. Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Stay safe.
Bye. next time. Thanks for watching our video.
Bye-bye.
And that will be our 101 video. Please check out that in our future videos. Bye.
Bye-bye.